Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mirror glass. To do this, I'm just going to go ahead and pivot the mirror so I can have access to this. The next thing that I always mention is whenever we're dealing with something that could potentially be sharp, you want to make sure that you have hand and eye protection at all times. Now let's continue on with a nice plastic trim tool. We're going to carefully get in between the mirror glass and the mirror itself and gently pry. Once it pops free, go ahead and turn it around, take a peek at the back side, remove it completely, and just inspect this area here to make sure there's no damage. Alright, now we can get ready to install our brand new mirror glass here. Pay attention to the back side. This area right along here, you can see that it has a whole bunch of little pitons. Those need to line up with the corresponding areas coming around this mirror surface right here. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have this in the proper position. We'll line it up, and now I'm just going to come directly in the center here and carefully push. Alright, we're just listening for some clicking noises. Now we can go ahead and close this, and now you just want to test it to make sure it functions properly.